Back when I first started in an operating room, you just kind of did what you were told and nobody ever questioned anything. The nurses in the OR know what they're breathing in and they know how dangerous it is, but you've got to get that point across to the CEOs of the hospitals. My name is Julianne Greenhalgh. I'm a registered perioperative nurse and I worked in an operating room for 42 years. I first became aware of the dangers of surgical smoke in 2004. I listened to a speaker who had to leave the operating room because she had severe respiratory issues from being exposed to the smoke. As I sat there in my mind, I clicked off all of her symptoms and said, I have that. I have that too. The itchy eyes, the runny nose, the constant scratchy throat. I came back from the conference and I had a very progressive director and walked into her office and said, I think we have a problem. I think that we should try to buy smoke evacuators. And she was very receptive. So in about 2014, I met with the National Association of Operating Room Nurses Government Affairs Committee chairperson. We were able to find legislative people who were receptive to sponsoring a bill on our behalf. We had a nurse present how easy it was to use and just how cost-effective it is. And then I spoke on my behalf personally of what I had experienced. Unfortunately, I have developed a chronic lung disease, most probably from breathing in smoke for 40 plus years. This is my bag of tricks that keeps me going. I have 3 inhalers that I use every day, as well as some oral medications. Passing this bill will allow nurses to work to save patients' lives and not put their own health in danger. Now, people are aware, so they realize, and they just need to form the policies that will make sure that this doesn't happen to other people. You know, nurses and doctors work by rules, and once the rule is in place and says, we have a policy that says we use this, well then you will use it. The technology is there and it is available and it is relatively cost effective. Together, we can make surgical smoke in an operating room a thing of the past.